Welcome back to another video. My name is TJ and this is the roadside kit that everybody needs in their car. Let me show you why. We have a bright red kit with the reflective on the front. We have a stand right here. If you want to put it on the side of the road, it might help. As we open this up, all right, so we're gonna jump into the kit and I'm gonna show you everything that's in here. Starting off, we have this. This is a little like tripod stand that you can set up. So we can put this on the side of the road and it just stands like that. We're a little bit of reflective, get somebody's attention, really nice. Next, we have a customary first aid kit, which is always good to have in the car. This video can go into depth pretty quick. Just to go over this real fast, we have Band-Aids, sterile strips, Q-tips, scissors, tweezers, about 5 safety pins, and some first aid tape for your skin. So all of that's gonna be fitting in this little bag, so that's really good to have just in case. Next, we have this vest that is reflective, just in case you have to do anything on your car or any work. If you're stranded, this thing's gonna be really nice to have. And this is gonna be just a standard fit. This one's extra large. And it's just something you can throw on you just for a little bit more safety precautions so cars can see you. Never get stranded again with a dead battery with these jumper cables. Really important to have in this kit. So these are your jumper cables, really nice set. Probably say these jumper cables are about 4 feet in length. Also gonna have a poncho, some nice rubberized, texturized safety gloves. On this side over here, you're gonna have a nice ice scraper, just in case you don't already have one in your car and you run into an unexpected storm. One of my favorite things in this kit is gonna be this screwdriver set with the ratchet. It's gonna have a tire pressure gauge right here, and you're also gonna have all these features, Phillips head, flathead, on your screwdriver so you can make sure you can take care of anything. Gonna have a razor blade, and you're gonna have a nice little socket set. And the socket size is 5 all the way up to a 13. Gonna get some nice zip ties in here, about 5 of those. You actually have a sign too. Hopefully you never have to use this. Help. 2 bungee cords. These can come in handy. Just say that you throw something on your car or in the hatch, you have your hatch open or something. You can tie it down. If you didn't come properly prepared, these can definitely be useful. Also got a whistle, 2 rolls of electrical tape, some rope. I really don't know how long this is, but if I had to guess, probably like 20 feet. This is pretty cool because this is like a seat belt slicer right here. If the seatbelt is stuck on you in any situation, or you could tap out your window and break the glass with one hit. And there's a little hammer side as well, just in case you need like a hammer or something. This is weighted on the top, so it gives you a little bit of momentum when you're using it. Hopefully you never have to. This is a light, which is obviously really nice. And you actually open it up like that and you can charge this. There's no batteries. All you gotta do is just keep pumping it, and that actually charges it, so you never actually need batteries. This thing can never die on you, and I do love that about this kit. Last but not least, we have a Swiss Army knife. Come with a handy dandy set of pliers, and there also is a little bit of a blade in here so you can cut something or cut a wire. So you are gonna get just standard pocket knife stuff, which is gonna be a tiny screwdriver, a file, can opener, a knife, and you can put this on your keychain if you choose to do so, or you can just keep it in the bag. So there you have it, guys. That's everything that's gonna come in this kit. This thing is going straight into my wife's car, just in case she needs anything and I'm not around. This will be the best source to help her out until I can get on the way. Perfect gift for your daughter, your wife, your kids, anybody that you care about. Everybody should have one of these in their car. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.